Hey guys, so there was an amazing moment. All the group behind of flamingos, they took flight, and it was just magical. So flamingos, it is actually a dream of mine to photograph them. So it's a special day. I will share this experience with two more photographers, Egidio and Alessandro. Thank you for watching this video. If you're enjoying what I do, subscribe to this channel, and if you click the bell close to it, you'll get a notification every time I post on a video. So enjoy the video, and thank you for being here. They are so beautiful. They are behind there, they are quite far, but this is what it is. So now I'll take some more footage. Let me show you what's happening there.
There are 6 species of flamingos spread around the world. They are very social birds, and they like to travel in huge groups of thousands of individuals.
There's no much sun today, but I don't mind it. I think it's when it's not very sunny, you don't have these strong shadows, which is I also like.
Today, let me introduce you to one of them, which is called the greater flamingo, or Phoenicopterus roseus. He resides in mudflats and shallow coastal lagoons with salt water. The pink or reddish color of flamingos comes from carotenoids in their diet of animal and plant plankton. This place is also home to different other species.
I see different species of birds. So I see some cormorants, I see some herons, and seagulls. So it's like paradise for wildlife here. So I really like it. It's amazing, and I'm super happy also to share this moment with you guys. So yeah, let's go back to work. They are feeding with their head under the water, and from time to time you see them like putting their head up. Hey guys, so there was an amazing moment. All the group behind of flamingos, they took flight, and it was just magical. So but yeah, it's amazing, an amazing day. I hope you can get a bit of this beautiful energy. Amazing. I love doing this. This is amazing for me. I feel quite privileged to be able to be here with all these species that have been on this planet for millions of years before us. Yeah. I wish more people will understand that, so we can come all together as a big army to protect and preserve these amazing places that have so much to give. It was really incredible experience. I really enjoyed it, and it was amazing to photograph the flamingos for the first time.
If you are new on this channel and you would like to stay updated, please consider to subscribe. Thank you very much.